going.
Hi guys, welcome back. We just took our snowmobile out on the snowy trails and we are setting up our otter tent. It is a Monster Lodge otter tent and we're going to be setting up our stove and enjoying this snowy weather. So stay tuned.
Let's hurry up and do it.
All right, time to set up our big otter tent, I guess it's called. It's massive.
Got it by the ear.
There we go.
Drop it back down. Move that bag out of there.
Pop that.
Okay.
Pop that. Woohoo! Yay, good job. We did it. Stove and sleeping bags. Got that chimney going. All right, it's basically dark, but we have our stove now nicely set up. Oh yeah, it goes around the back.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were having such a horrendous time with these lights. Like everything was going wrong. We didn't even bother filming it because it was not a good time, but oh, and half of our lights are out, so this is what we're working with.
Oh, yay.
All for the love of camping, you guys. Burn, baby, burn. I have my hand, oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. I've got big ski mitts and it's hard to work the camera with them.
Gonna go in there and get that thing going.
Yeah, we're gonna start making quesadillas tonight on our wood stove.
I am hungry.
Yeah, so we need to light a fire and get this show on the road. We are.
Do it. Get this thing going. Frozen.
Get out of there. Mix these all together. We're gonna use our little oven too today. Warm up our quesadilla bread.
What's the oven at?
It's at 200. It's already starting to, I'm gonna have to take them out. It's too much.
I'm actually starving.
I'm starving too. Oh, that looks good.
There we go.
Yum. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a knife, so we're gonna try to cut it with like a spatula or a lifter.
Or a fork.
Yum!
Let's eat this. We'll make a few more and get back.
Yay! We forgot our chairs, so we're sitting on whatever's necessary. Well, we've been sitting by the campfire for a bit now, and I think we're ready for bed, eh?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you like it. Please subscribe if you did, and we will see you in the next one.
Good night.